Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messages not showing on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve messages not showing on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.